Hey grade 6 and 7s, welcome back to the second week of guitar. Hope you had fun playing Mission Impossible last week. This week, we're not going to be swinging from building to building, but we're going to be swinging from van to van because we're going to be playing Indiana Jones. So get ready, get your best jungle face on, and let's hear how it sounds. Alright, so that's how it sounds. Hopefully you've watched some of the movies, the really fun stuff. Now, let's break it down. We have a rhythm section, we have a lead section as usual. Alright, so let's zoom into the guitar. Alright, so starting up with our rhythm, we have this chord. This is actually a C chord, but we're going to play with this G note above it to make it extra thick. So you can think of it like a C power chord, a 2-string power chord, but with this G note up here. Okay, just to give a bit of thickness. This is how it sounds without the thickness. This is how it sounds with the thickness. Yeah, you can hear the difference, alright? Then it's going to be a rhythm, so it's going to be down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, slowly, down, up, down, up, down, up. And for this chord, we're going to hit the E, A, and D string. So slowly, down, up, 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 down, up. Alright, so that's how it starts off. So we're going to go doom, 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 doom. Alright, that's the first time. Then you're going to go to an F power chord. Now here, you're just going to take this same shape, slide it back here, put your ring finger on that string right over there, on the A string of the 3rd fret. So 1st fret, 3rd fret, 3rd fret. So it's different in the sense of, it's not just these two, the index and pinky, but index, ring, pinky. Alright, so that's F power chord. If you were to play this, that would be B flat power chord, with a thickness above it. Alright, so let's try that slowly, from C power chord. 3, go, down, up, down, up, down, up, F, down, up, down, up, down, up. Then we take it to the same shape to G, down, up, down, up, down, up. Alright, so let's try those 3. 3, go, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, G, down, up, down, up, down, up. Now when we get that G, we're going to split it. We're going to go back to the C for a down, then come back to the G for an up, down, up, down. Alright, so down, up, down, up, down, up. So C, G, up, down, like that, okay? So C, then G. So it gets split there. The C gets the first down, the G gets the up, down, up, down, up. Okay, so let's try to put that together slowly. 3, go. C, up, down, up, down, up. F, up, down, up, down, up. G, up, down, up. C, C, G, da, 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 da. Alright, so it sounds funny when I try to say it, but it's like C, up, down, up on that G. Alright, then after that, you go back to a C, C, up, down, up. But then we move it to this D flat, 2-string power chord with a thickness above it. And we do the exact same thing. Down, up, down, up. Alright, so that's our second round. So second round would be down, up, down, up to D flat. Down, up, down, up. Then we take it back to this G, but it's going to be called G suspended. So it's a G, 3rd fret on the low E, and you're going to play the A, D, and G string on the 5th fret. So 1, 2, 3, 4. This time we're playing 4 strings at the same time. Okay? Right then. We're going to go down, up, down, down, up, down, up. And you do that twice. Okay? Twice now. This is called G suspended. So let's try the whole of part 2, nice and slow. 3, go. Down, up, down, up, down, down, up, 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 down, up. Then you you just repeat 2 more times. So you just play the exact same thing 3 times from part 1 to part 2. So let's try it. 3, 2 from part 1. Let's go. Down, up, 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 C, down, G, up, down, up, C, up, down, up, D flat, down, up, G suspended. Second time. F, G, C then G, back to C, D flat, G suspended. One more time, C, F, G, split it. Here comes the D flat, G suspended. Alright, then you finish on either this C power chord or that C power chord with the thickness above it. And that's the whole rhythm section. Not too hard, but the rhythm is a bit tricky on the right hand. So make sure you try down, up, down, up, down, up. Very nice and groovy rock kind of sounding rhythm, but it's not really a rock song. It's more of like an orchestral piece, but they still have that rhythm there. All right, so now let's take it to our lead section.